That's the 30th of April. We're out here on Long Lake, Doug Carmen's boat. Getting ready to go out and do some water sampling to determine the phosphorus levels in the lake for an application they've got coming up in a couple weeks. We're at Long Lake, location number 2 in the North Basin. Getting ready to do water sample testing, Secchi disc testing.
See, the color's the same.
Okay, so that's 4, and what's the depth? That's 5. And the depth was
1, 2, and 3/10.
2 3/10.
Mm-hmm. What was the other one?
2.3.
Okay.
So 2 3/10, same.
Actually pretty good.
And the bottom, right now we're showing at 17. That's 5.2 meters.
Sample 3.
Sample 3. And it's holding now, isn't it?
Jerking it.
So we're taking water test samples at 1 meter. And then just off the bottom, 2 different samples at 1 meter. 2 different samples off the bottom.
And so the depth here is
5.2 meters.
It's a little deeper than the other one.
Yeah. Well, you were at 14 feet, and now you're at 17 feet. So if you hit 5 meters, you're right about right.
5 meters.
Yep. You're just off the bottom right there.
And these samples will be, what we'll be testing for is total phosphorus and free phosphorus. So we'll know what free is what's suspended in the water, diluted in the water, and total includes any solids or other stuff that are in the water.
Okay. So now Doug is putting down another device.
It's called the Sonde, S-O-N-D-E. But it's going to give us dissolved oxygen,
Temperature.
Conductivity, turbidity.
Okay, so you're at 1/2 meter right there.
Okay.
So you're at, temperature is 14.3. pH is 7.65. Dissolved oxygen is 10.02. SPC is 128.9. And turbidity is 1.11. Very similar to the readings at the last location. A little bit different on dissolved oxygen, a little bit higher on pH. Everything else is pretty much the same. 2.5 right, a little bit lower, a little bit more, a little bit more, right there. 14. pH 7.61, pH is going down. DO is 10.06, about the same. SPC is 128.8. Turbidity is 1.08. Okay. 4.5, passed it right there. There you go. So you're at 13.3. pH is 7.03. DO is 6.77. You just passed the thermocline. You're at 134.0 and 1.72 turbidity. So you're real close to the bottom.
You want to go 1/2 meter?
1/2 meter would be as much as I'd go. You're at right there. So 11.3. pH is 6.81. DO really dropped. 2.30. 139.9. And turbidity is 1.14. That's it.
Okay, turn her off. Can you hand me that?